Explain how plants are grouped based on their stems and height. Plants can be grouped into herbs, shrubs, and trees based on stem type and height. Herbs are small with soft green stems. Shrubs have several woody stems that branch near the ground and are medium sized. Trees are tall with thick, hard, woody stems and branches starting higher up. This grouping helps understand the plant's structure and growth patterns. Describe the difference between monocot and dicot plants. Monocot plants have seeds with one cotyledon, parallel venation in leaves, and fibrous roots. Examples include maize and grasses. Dicot plants have two cotyledons in their seeds, reticulate venation in leaves, and taproot systems. Examples include chickpea and mustard. This difference helps classify plants and study their characteristics and growth. What are some adaptations of plants and animals found in deserts? Desert plants like cactus have thick, fleshy stems to store water and tolerate heat. Camels in hot deserts have long legs and wide hooves to walk on sand and store fat in humps for energy. Desert animals often conserve water by excreting less urine and having dry dung. These adaptations help them survive extreme temperatures and scarce water. How do animals use different body parts for movement? Give examples. Animals use various body parts to move. Birds like pigeons and houseflies use wings to fly. Ants and goats walk or jump using legs. Fish swim using fins. Some animals like frogs can move both in water and on land using legs and webbed feet. Movement depends on their body structure and habitat. Why is biodiversity important and how can it be protected? Biodiversity ensures a balanced ecosystem by providing food, shelter, and survival opportunities for many species. It supports ecosystem stability and human needs. Protection involves conserving habitats, preventing pollution, and protecting endangered species through projects like Project Tiger. Community efforts and awareness also play a crucial role in preserving biodiversity. Explain the relationship between leaf venation, root type, and seed type in plants. Plants with reticulate venation usually have tap roots and two cotyledons in their seeds. These are dicots. Plants with parallel venation tend to have fibrous roots and one cotyledon. These are monocots. This relationship helps in identifying plant types and understanding their growth and classification. Describe how habitat influences the features of plants and animals. Habitat provides the necessary conditions like food, water, shelter, and climate. Plants and animals develop special features called adaptations to survive in their habitats. For example, deodar trees in mountains have sloping branches to shed snow. Camels in deserts have humps and special feet for walking on sand. These adaptations help them thrive in different environments. What is the significance of grouping plants and animals based on their characteristics? Grouping helps in organizing the vast diversity of plants and animals by sorting them based on common features like stem type, movement, or habitat. It simplifies study, helps identify species and shows relationships among organisms. Grouping also aids in understanding evolution, ecology, and conservation efforts. Explain the role of Janaki Ammal in the conservation of biodiversity. Janaki Ammal was a renowned Indian botanist who worked to document and preserve India's plant diversity. As head of the Botanical Survey of India, she led efforts to save forests like Silent Valley by raising awareness about their ecological importance. Her work helped protect many plant species and promoted biodiversity conservation in India. How does damage to habitats affect biodiversity? Habitat damage leads to loss of homes, food, and resources for plants and animals, causing their populations to decline. It disrupts ecosystems and can lead to extinction of species. Activities like deforestation, pollution, and urbanization are major causes. Protecting habitats is essential to conserve biodiversity and maintain ecological balance.